Let's jump straight into how to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem quickly and easily. First, remove the Telegram app from your device. Once that's done, open your Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and go to Play Protect. From there, open the settings and turn this feature off. Confirm it using your device PIN. Now open your Chrome browser and search for Telegram APK download. Go to a trusted website like Up2Down and scroll until you find the older versions section. Open it, then scroll more and tap on See More to view all available versions. From the list, download version 11.9.1. Tap the green download button and wait for it to finish. After downloading, open your downloads, tap on the file, and install it on your device. Once installed, open Telegram and enter your phone number. Make sure to enable the Test Backend option before continuing. This part is important. Now proceed, and Telegram will either send you a code or call you directly with the verification code. In most cases, you'll receive a call. Enter the code and you'll be logged into your account without facing the SMS fee issue. And that's it. Your problem should now be fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.